Have you ever wondered how those dazzling 18K gold chains are crafted, transforming raw materials into stunning pieces of jewelry that grace our necks and wrists? Join us on a mesmerizing journey through the intricate world of jewelry making, where creativity, precision, and craftsmanship come together to give birth to these shimmering treasures. Welcome to the enchanting world of jewelry making, where the dazzling allure of gold has captivated human hearts for centuries. First, we dive in a little bit of history. The discovery of the first ever gold chain in history remains shrouded in the mists of antiquity, a captivating tale of human ingenuity and craftsmanship. Archaeological evidence suggests that ancient civilizations, including the Sumerians and Egyptians, were among the first to fashion and wear gold chains as early as 2500 BCE. Intricately crafted with primitive tools and techniques, this remarkable artifact showcased the early mastery of metallurgy and the value ancient cultures placed on precious metals. The gold chain, possibly a symbol of status and power, would have been an awe-inspiring sight, adorning its wearer with an unparalleled radiance that set them apart. Though the origins of the first ever gold chain may elude us, its discovery marked the inception of a timeless tradition, linking our past to the present. As a testament to human fascination with beauty and opulence, this ancient adornment continues to captivate our imaginations, connecting us to the distant echoes of history and the allure of gold throughout the ages. Gold, with its radiant luster and timeless elegance, has been revered across cultures as a symbol of wealth, power, and beauty. But how does this precious metal transform into the mesmerizing 18K gold chains we adore today? To unlock the secrets of this magical transformation, we must first understand the concept of carats. Carats measure the purity of gold, and 24K gold is considered pure, but it's too soft for jewelry. That's where 18K gold comes into play. 18 parts pure gold and 6 parts other metals, creating a perfect balance of strength and beauty. The journey begins with gold mining, where precious deposits are unearthed from the depths of the earth. After extracting raw gold, it undergoes an intricate refining process, removing impurities and achieving that coveted level of purity. Once the pure gold is obtained, it's time to blend it with other metals to form the 18K gold alloy. The specific combination of metals is like a secret recipe, meticulously guarded by skilled artisans, and it determines the final color and properties of the gold. Witness the mesmerizing dance of gold as it transforms from solid to liquid, its molten state representing the endless possibilities of craftsmanship that lie ahead. After casting the alloy into bars or sheets, the true magic of jewelry making begins. Now that we have our pure gold, it's time to transform it into the magical 18K gold alloy that will dazzle the world. The process of alloying gold is an art in itself, where experienced artisans work their magic to combine pure gold with precisely measured amounts of other metals. These metals, such as silver, copper, or palladium, not only enhance the gold's strength, but also influence its color. The right blend of metals is a closely guarded secret, passed down through generations of skilled jewelers. Carefully measured and weighed, the pure gold is mixed with the chosen metals in specific proportions to create the 18K gold alloy. This is a critical step, as even the slightest variation in the mixture can alter the final appearance and characteristics of the gold. Once the metals are combined, they are placed in a crucible and subjected to intense heat, transforming the solid mixture into a shimmering pool of molten gold. The crucible symbolizes the crucible of creativity and passion that these skilled artisans possess. From here, the molten gold is poured into molds, forming bars or sheets, which will serve as the foundation for crafting the elegant 18K gold chains. But our journey doesn't end here. The true artistry lies in shaping these gold bars and sheets into the individual links that will compose our breathtaking chains. In the artisan's workshop, skilled hands take center stage, each link a testament to the craftsman's dedication and precision. The process begins by shaping the gold bars or sheets into small, uniform segments, which will serve as the foundation for the chain links. Each segment is carefully measured and cut, ensuring consistency in size and shape. From there, the artisans use a combination of age-old techniques and modern tools to mold the segments into the desired link design. Some artisans may use traditional hammering techniques, channeling generations of expertise into every strike, while others may utilize modern laser cutting for intricate designs. Regardless of the method, Every link is a work of art in its own right. The next step is to solder the links together, fusing them into a seamless chain. This delicate process requires steady hands and a keen eye for detail, as each link must align flawlessly to ensure the chain's strength and flexibility. Once the links are united, the chain undergoes a meticulous polishing process where it emerges from the workshop with a radiant glow. It's astonishing to witness how a simple gold segment transforms into a refined, breathtaking chain ready to adorn its wearer. As the last link finds its place, the mesmerizing chain comes to life, bearing the indelible mark of the artisan's skill and passion. Brace yourself for the grand finale of creativity, craftsmanship, and above all, beauty. This is where dreams are forged, and ordinary gold becomes extraordinary 18K gold chains. With each link carefully crafted and polished to perfection, the process of assembling the chain begins. Skilled artisans deftly connect each link, ensuring a seamless flow and captivating symmetry. This stage is a delicate dance, where the artisan's expertise is showcased as they carefully balance the chain's strength, flexibility, and aesthetic appeal. Throughout the assembly, strict quality control measures are followed to guarantee that each link aligns flawlessly, leaving no room for imperfection. And just like that, the transformation is complete. From raw materials to an exquisite 18K gold chain, the journey has been one of artistry and devotion. As we venture deeper into the world of 18K gold chain craftsmanship, we arrive at a pivotal moment, the addition of the finishing touches. It's time to witness how the artistry of jewelry making reaches its crescendo, transforming these chains into wearable masterpieces that reflect the essence of beauty and style. The artisans carefully select clasps, fasteners, and sometimes even elegant pendants that complement the design of the 18K gold chain. These elements serve not only as functional components, but also as aesthetic enhancements that elevate the chain's allure. With unwavering attention to detail, the artisans attach each clasp or fastener, ensuring they blend seamlessly with the chain, embodying a flawless union of form and function. The world of 18K gold chain jewelry offers an array of design options, from the classic and understated to the bold and ornate, catering to diverse tastes and styles. Throughout this stage, quality control remains paramount. Each finished piece undergoes meticulous inspection, guaranteeing that it meets the highest industry standards. As the finishing touches come together, the transformation is breathtaking. What once began as raw materials has now evolved into a work of art, capturing the essence of elegance and luxury. As we approach the final stages of our mesmerizing journey through the creation of 18K gold chains, we shine a spotlight on the critical steps of quality testing and certification. Ensuring the authenticity and durability of these magnificent treasures is paramount, and that's where rigorous testing and meticulous scrutiny come into play. Every 18K gold chain undergoes rigorous quality testing to verify its purity, strength, and overall craftsmanship. Skilled experts meticulously examine each link, clasp, and fastener, leaving no room for compromise. To further instill confidence in the buyers, reputable 18K gold chains often carry third-party certifications and hallmarks. These emblems of authentication vouch for the chain's genuineness and adherence to industry standards. During the certification process, independent organizations validate the gold's carat purity and confirm that it meets stringent quality benchmarks. Reputable jewelers also offer warranties and guarantees, assuring customers of their investment's long-lasting value. The joy of owning an 18K gold chain goes beyond its aesthetics. It's a symbol of status, sophistication, and sentiment. Proud owners around the world wear these chains with a sense of pride and admiration. Thank you for embarking on this captivating journey into the art of crafting 18K gold chains with us. From the brilliance of gold to the skilled hands of artisans, we've unraveled the magic behind these exquisite pieces. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more fascinating content. Until next time, keep cherishing the allure of 18K gold chains, a timeless symbol of elegance and luxury. See you soon.